In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel limit orders in Coinbase, and we'll aim to get this done in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, knowing how to manage your trades is crucial in navigating the world of cryptocurrency. Let's dive right in and make sure you're equipped with the knowledge you need to smoothly cancel those limit orders. First things first, make sure you're logged into either the basic Coinbase platform or Coinbase Advanced Trade, depending on which service you are using. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the area where you can view your trades. Navigate over to the trade section. This is where you'll find a tab labeled either open orders or just orders. This tab is essentially the command center for all your trading activity, giving you a comprehensive overview of what transactions are currently processing. Within this section, you'll find a list of all your active orders. What you need to do now is identify the specific limit order that you want to cancel. This can feel a little like searching for a needle in a haystack if you're someone who trades frequently, but remember, the key is patience and attention to detail. Each order is typically listed with essential details, including the type, the amount, and the date, which should help you spot the one you're looking for relatively quickly. Once you've pinpointed the limit order that needs to be cancelled, look for the option to cancel it. You should see a button next to your order labelled Cancel. Clicking this button is the crucial step in removing that particular order from the queue. However, it's not over just yet. There's usually one more confirmation step that ensures you genuinely want to proceed with the cancellation. If prompted, confirm the cancellation. This might be as simple as a pop-up window asking you to verify your decision. Confirming this step will ensure that the action is deliberate, which is a nice additional safeguard against accidental cancellations. After confirming, the order will be removed from your active orders list, and any funds that were tied up in the limit order will be released back into your account. Now you can breathe a sigh of relief knowing that you've successfully managed your trade and have more flexibility to decide on your next move. And that's it. Remember, staying organized and keeping an eye on your active trades is always a good practice in the world of trading. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. Feel free to explore other tutorials, and until next time, happy trading.